Mars as we see today might not be the same in the past. This is what most scientists believe today. Mars has been a mystery among scientists for many centuries, as it shares a lot of similarities with the environment of Earth. Mars appears to have had a very watery past, with ancient river valley networks, deltas, and lake beds, as well as rocks and minerals that could have formed only in liquid water. Some features suggest that Mars experienced huge floods about 3.5 billion years ago. Today, with the help of rovers, orbiters, and many other Mars exploration programs, water has been discovered in 5 places on Mars. Without an atmosphere, the water on Mars got frozen and trapped in various craters, Martian poles, and even under the ground. So, what caused Mars to lose its atmosphere? There are two reasons behind the loss of Mars' atmosphere. First is the solar storm. Solar storms occur when the sun emits huge bursts of energy in the form of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. These phenomena send out a stream of electric charges, mostly protons and electrons, at a speed of about 1340 kilometers per second. The strong magnetic field of Earth protects us from the impacts of the solar storm by deflecting the energetic radiations away from the Earth. Mars, on the other hand, does not have a global magnetic field of its own. Mars' early molten iron core got frozen up very quickly after its creation, leaving the planet without a global magnetic field to protect its atmosphere. As a result, a solar storm ripped the atmosphere of Mars out into the space. The second reason is the weak gravity of Mars. The RMS velocity of most of the gases in its atmosphere were much greater than the escape velocity of Mars. As a result of which, the gases in the atmosphere of Mars escaped into space, resulting in the loss of atmosphere of Mars. RMS velocity is the velocity at which the molecules of a gas are moving. Escape velocity, on the other hand, is the velocity required by a particle to overcome the gravitational pull of a planet, in this case Mars, and escape into space. The loss of atmosphere transformed Mars from a planet that could have supported life into a frigid desert world. A thick atmosphere would have helped to warm a young Mars by trapping more heat from sunlight. But the fate of Mars had other plans. What if Mars had an atmosphere? Then would life be possible on Mars? Let me know in the comments.